Throw up a four when it's showtime. Now I'm doing shows on Showtime. Press play when I talk, then rewind. Hear every word of my punchline. Got butt nigga hoes on FaceTime. Ain't damn nigga help me, I got mine. Turn myself to a boss like Big Shine. Can't compete with nobody, I'm rap blind. I'm flying that Porsche. 0 to 60 got horsepower. I'm in a pussy for hours. We gonna sweat some showers. Ask are you drippy, of course. Designing my body adore. If life is your hobby, then rap is my court. Terminate niggas, they call me a sword.
What up, YouTube? We gonna start a new series for y'all called The List. 51 is more than just us 5 friends. We're the foundation, but we got plenty of family. We got some guys that we race often. So we want to do a list. In order to get on the list, you gotta race the last person at the bottom just to get on. You gotta run your own bike. It's quarter mile from a dig. So we're gonna start the list with Jackson Storm and Gator Jitsu. If y'all saw in Palm Bay, Jackson Storm and Gator Jitsu was going back to back. But Jackson Storm won the last race. Check it out. With that, Jackson Storm is at the top, Gator Jitsu is at the bottom. Now we got the Joker facing off with Gator Jitsu to get on the list. Let's see what happens. You good? Back up. I would look at that out of there. I would look at that out of there. Hey! Hey! Check! Back up a little bit, do another burnout. Just a little one. he got that 46 on there. That thing coming too fast for him.
like a 6 speed. I'm shitting these niggas like 6 speed. You gotta work hard cause ain't shit free. Shotty one sex, shout out Jeffrey. I cut out the middleman straight to the source. Climbing the truck, push them back, I got force. I feel like El Chapo, I came from the north. I'm meeting some labels, they bout to endorse. The way that I play, they gon' think it's a cheat. Need me a round of applause, don't take a seat. Need me a leash when I walk on the beat. Cross so authentic, I gotta bring heat. You want a feature, then run me the feet. On a new level, this place finna be. Nobody greater, they equal to me.